Hi, hey, we thought you'd appreciate a video about these automations and what you need to do. We've written them so there's very little you need to do. I hope you appreciate it. Took hours and hours and hours to write all of this within each one of these. I call this the journey, the Revelana journey. You are also going to see when you click in several different journeys inside, sub journeys inside. So let's say someone just booked an appointment. When you click into that, you're going to see that the system automatically does a number of things, right? And then it adds a tag. And then we're creating a new opportunity in your CRM, and then they're getting an email, for instance. So everything's going to be automated. You're all set. Yay, you're all set. One thing I wanted to mention, the one thing you need to do, and in this case, Pure Rejuvenation Wellness Lounge in Carefree, Arizona. If you're ever there, go visit them because they're awesome. They're using their own calendar at the moment. They'll likely switch over to ours. We're launching a HIPAA compliant module very soon, so everything will be HIPAA, and we can use ours. But right here, this needs to be the link. Whatever that custom value is, this is where those links come from. If you were using our appointment setting system, it would automatically put in the date time the day, date, time of their appointment. But since you're using yours, your system is going to have its own. So whatever that it's called a custom value, whatever that custom value is that grabs the appointment of that particular individual, you're going to want to put it here and it'll fill it in. So in order to set custom values, I want to show you that. So let's go back for a minute. And then let's go over to the other side of your nav, which is covered by my controls here. So you hit settings and you're over here. See this custom values? So in these custom values, what you want to do is add a custom value and call it our EMR appointment info, right? And then you want to paste whatever that snippet is here, and then press save. And then that creates the custom value. I'm going to delete it, but it creates the custom value. So when you're over on this side, and you're in that appointment, that you're in that email with that little snippet in there, you put that in there by, I'm going to highlight this because we would get rid of that, but you put it in by looking at custom values, and then this would be your calendar. No, it would be under appointment, and then the start date time, and that puts the snippet in. So when you do that, it puts the snippet in here, and then I'll just put that exclamation point back again. So anyway, this is why you want to use our system too for your nurtures, for these long-term nurtures and the automations. It all ties in. When you have something on the outside, it just makes it a lot more complicated. And then in addition to that, you can see that we have a username here and a user email here, the from email and the from. It's the from name, sorry. It's like, in this case, it says Janine and Santa in the from name. And then the email is just Janine at purerejuvenationwellnesslounge.com. And then you'll see too in settings, there's a from name here and a from email here. If you always want that to just autofill with the same thing every time, you want to populate this with that information. And then this always fills it in. So this is the default. It always fills it in with this information. So hopefully you appreciate the video. Thanks. Have a great day.